What's up, YouTube? Welcome back, or welcome to Goliath Gets It Done. This kitchen was in need of a renovation at least 20 years ago. It was completely falling apart. I can't believe we lived in it for the last 6 years, but we made do with what we had. The transformation we're going to show you today is unbelievable. We couldn't be more excited about it. At the end of this video, we're going to give you 7 or 8 different things that we absolutely love about this kitchen that are must-haves. They're very inexpensive, but they turn a kitchen into a chef's kitchen. We couldn't be more happy with it. I literally renovated the entire house, from a full basement development to taking out a spiral staircase, flooring, doors and bifold doors, you name it, we did it to this house. We can't wait to share with you. Make sure you press the subscribe button, like, and ring the notification bell so all the new videos that are coming up, we can share with you. We can't wait to show you this kitchen. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go. So what do you guys think? I can't hear you, so you're gonna have to leave some comments below. Okay, now for the 8 things that really make this kitchen special, that we really love, are this pot filler is so handy. It's so awesome. It reaches every pot on the stove. It's hooked up to our RO system, so we can drink right out of it. We can fill up any pot. That is super handy. We absolutely love it. That's number 1. Number 2 is we put drawers instead of doors beside our stove. Easy to access pots, and they pull all the way out so you can get all the way to the back. So my wife really loves that. We put that's number 2. The dishwasher is right next to the sink. That's number 3. Number 4 is trash and recycling. Right there, super handy next to the sink and dishwasher. That's where all the action's happening. Really like that. That's number 4. Number 5 is, I don't know if you guys noticed in the video, but I did a toe kick sweep. So it's hooked up to the central vac, kick it open, sweep everything in. Makes it really, really easy to clean the kitchen floor and keep it clean. Super handy, love it. Number 5. Number 6, bar fridge. Just keeps the clutter out of the fridge. It's really handy for all the drinks, and it looks pretty cool there. Number 7, the waterfall edge. That's where all the wear and tear happens, and food prep and all sorts of things. So it's really easy to clean. We really, really like that. Number 8 is we turned this into a little bit of a nook, an eating nook. So we can just add that many more people. It's good for entertaining, great for the kids. And we really love that feature. One more thing that we did that is fairly inexpensive to do is we put USB plugs almost throughout this entire kitchen. You just can't have enough of these. Fantastic for phones, iPads, laptops, whatever you need them for. It's just great to have them when you need them. So that is number 9. I guess I lied because we have more. And one of my favorite features we did under cabinet lighting. So you can kind of see the lighting on the countertop there. At nighttime, when we have all the lights off, it just gives a perfect glow through the kitchen. It's really nice. It's not too bright, but we love that. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Stay tuned. Cheers.